Pivot points are important. Where we put the pivot is important in our life and in Blender. The easiest and fastest way to change the pivot point in Blender is to use the 3D cursor. In the Geometry node, we will look at how to change the axis of rotation. First, let's look at two ways to rotate a geometry node. By adding a transform node and changing the rotation value, it is possible to rotate objects in units of objects. However, in this case, since there is no selection socket, rotation in vertex units is not possible. Even if it is not a transform node, it is possible to rotate by adding a set position node and using a vector rotation node. We can change the center axis by using the center item of the vector rotate node. Let's go to this location. The number of places shifted by -2 on the z-axis and -2 on the x-axis. By utilizing the set position node, you can actually get the effect of changing the object origin. This time, let's look at how to change the center of rotation by moving the object itself, leaving the object origin as it is. Use the transform node twice. The object is based on the origin point through the first transform node. Move it. Rotate it through the second transform node. In this case, we can also use set position node and vector rotate node instead of transform node for rotation.